Alright, section 3.4, the conditional and related statements. We're going to be taking statements and writing them in the if, then, if P, then Q form. In the text, some of these sentences are in different setups or written in a different order. So I want to kind of point that out to you before we go on. So conditional if, then form. This first example says, if you stay, then I go. There is a converse which says, if I go, then you stay. It just changes the order. The back is now the front and the front is now the back. So converse changes the order. Inverse negates both parts, the antecedent and the consequence, as the book names them. So if you do not stay, compared to this, if you stay, then I do not go, compared to then I go. So inverse just adds not or negates them. And then you have a contrapositive, which negates the converse. So if I go, if I don't go, then you stay, then I don't stay. So all stemming from the if then form. And you also notice the truth table for these related conditional statements. So anyway, going to number one, we have some real numbers are rational numbers. So some real numbers are rational numbers. We want to write it in if then form. So this one says, if a number is real, then it is always rational. And that's not the case, because we got some real numbers are rational, not all of them. B says, if a number is rational, then it is always real. And again, it says some real numbers are rational, so not all real numbers are rational. So it says if a number is rational, then it is always real. If a number is rational, then it's always real. That is true. That is true. But we were looking at some. So this one says if a number is real, then it is sometimes rational. So this looks like the converse of this statement. It follows from what we were given. So even though this is true, writing this in the if then form looks like that converse where they change the order. That's one of the forms.